Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on ETH USD? Now, from a weekly perspective, what do we have? On the weekly, we can clearly see that the market created this beautiful impulse to the downside, followed by this retracement. Now, how do we measure this retracement? If you want to measure a retracement, always take your Fibonacci on the impulse. And by taking our Fibonacci on the impulse, what we can clearly see? We can see that currently the market is rejecting the 0.618, aka the golden ratio, and is trying to close below it from a weekly closing perspective. So basically to respect this resistance level. Now, also from a pattern perspective, after an impulse and a correction, specifically an impulse and a correction that goes to retest the 0.618, you expect at least the market to try to make another move to the downside. Now, from a daily perspective, what do we have? At the moment, we have reached this upper structure. Here, the market had made this move to the downside, move back up, melt to the downside, previous support, turn resistance, and the market already respected it with a red candle. Obviously, ETH USD is correlating with what we have with Bitcoin. So clearly, it's about will Bitcoin actually manage to make them push to the downside that we spoke about in the previous analysis, or not. And as you know, basically at the moment from a forever perspective, it seems it won't, but things can quickly change about that. Now, identifying the structure level at the moment for ETH USD, it was support here, turn resistance here, the market broke above, it's now support. If we want to be looking for possible shorting opportunity, we first need to see at least the market break from a daily closing perspective below this structure. Until that, the market will be structurally bullish on ETH USD. Now, if the market will manage to break to the downside, so basically have a red candle, a bearish candle daily that closes with a daily close below the structure, then what we will be doing with students. At that point, this level here is strong resistance. Therefore, we will be monitoring with students price action on the 4-hour time frame inside of this region, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice push to the downside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.